Hello everyone. In this session we shall discuss various examples for evaluating the expressions and some examples for roots and absolute value. So here we have square and square roots. So what is 10 square? 10 raised to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 2. It is 10 into 10. 10 multiplied with itself. Any number multiplied with itself, we call it that number square. So 10 square is 10 into 10, and we know how to perform multiplication. 10 into 10 equal to 100. And what is the square root of 100? Which number you have to multiply with itself to get 100? That is 10, correct? When you multiply 10 with itself, you get 100. So square root of 100 is 10. So squares and square roots are inverse operations. And 9 square is 9 into 9, that is 81. So square root of 81 is 9. So here we have cube operation, 10 raised to the power of 3 or 10 to the power of 3. 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. So there are 3 tens and you are multiplying them. That is 1000, and cube root of 1000 is 10. Cube root means which number you have to multiply with itself 3 times, okay, to get 1000. The numbers will be 3. The multiplication operation will be performed 2 times. So 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512, and cube root of 512 is 8. So this cube root and cube, they are inverse operations. Okay, 10 cube gives 1000 and cube root of 1000 gives 10, correct? Inverse operations means one operation undoes, it reverses the effect produced by the other operation. Absolute value. So what is the absolute value of minus 4? It is 4. It is a positive value of that number. Just ignore the sign, take the number. So absolute value of 5 is 5, absolute value of minus 21 is 21. And what is absolute value of 5 minus 8? 5 minus 8 included within the vertical bars. So that is 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and absolute value of minus 3 is 3. So evaluation of numerical expressions. These are all numerical expressions. So 2 plus 5, you can just evaluate. You don't need any PEDMAS rules. It is straightforward operation. It is 7. 5 minus 9, it's again a straightforward operation because you have only one operator. So 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 2 plus 4 plus 8. Now we need PEDMAS rules, because we don't have parentheses to specify which addition has to be performed first. So 2 plus 4 has to be performed first, because only addition operators are there. You have to proceed from left to right. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14. And 3 minus 4 minus 6. Here also you need PEDMAS rules. There are only subtraction operators. You have to proceed from left to right. First 3 minus 4 will be evaluated. It is minus 1, and minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. And here you have both addition and subtraction operators. Addition and subtraction operators, they have equal priority, so you have to proceed from left to right. So 4 plus 9 is 13, and 13 minus 7 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5. And here there is only one multiplication operation. 5 into 3 is 15. If you have two multiplication operations, you have to proceed from left to right. So 5 into 9 is 45, into 2 is 90. Here you have only one division operation. 9 by 6 is 1.5. Okay. And 8 by 5 into 2. There is one division and one multiplication. You have to go from left to right. And 8 by 5 is 1.6. And 1.6 into 2 is 3.2. And you have multiplication, division and subtraction. So multiplication and division have equal priority, but higher priority compared to subtraction. And when you have two operators with equal priority, you have to go from left to right. So 7 into 6 is 42, and then 42 by 3 will be evaluated, that is 14, and 14 minus 1 is 13. So here we have a bit more complicated expression, but if we use PEDMAS rules, it's very simple to evaluate this expression. So here you have 3 multiplication and division operator and 1 subtraction. So we can understand that this subtraction will be performed at the end. Now all these operators have equal priority, so you have to proceed from left to right. And what is 45 into 4? It's 180, and 180 by 2, 90, and 93s are 270, and 270 into 6 is 160. Sorry, it's 1620. Correct. 270 into 6 is 1620 minus 4, and 1620 minus 4 is 1616. And you have to proceed from left to right, but you have division and multiplication operators which have higher priority compared to addition and subtraction. So this division will be performed first, and 6 by 3 is 2. So 27 minus 2 plus 4 into 9. So 4 into 9 will be evaluated to 36. Then 27 minus 2 is 25. Then 25 plus 36 is 61. So here we have some expressions within parentheses. So those expressions will have higher priority. So 9 minus 5 is within the innermost pair of parentheses. So 9 minus 5 will be evaluated, and that is 4. And 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this expression will be 3 minus 6 by 3 into 4 plus 4. Now 6 by 3 will be evaluated. Correct? Because it is on the left side. What is 6 by 3? Is 2. So 2 into 4 plus 4, and 2 into 4 has higher priority compared to subtraction and addition. 2 into 4 is 8, and 3 minus 8 plus 4, and 3 minus 8 is minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So we shall stop here. We shall continue in the next session.